The third generation hybrid rice developed by Yuan, the father of hybrid rice, and his team achieved a new record of yield in rice fields. The new record of the hybrid rice reached 1,603.9 kilograms per mo. Hoonan is one of the major rice producers in China, with farmers planting double cropping rice. Among the output of the hybrid rice, the yield of early rice came to 667.8 kilograms per mo in the test fields, and that of late-season rice stood at 936.1 kilograms per mo. Last year, the same hybrid rice variety made a double cropping yield of 1,530.76 kilograms per mo in a year on the same plot.
所以我们希望通过我们这个3年的示范总结出来的成功经验，然后把它推广到全国各地，能够种这个杂粮水稻的地方，能够让我们这个广大的农民不仅让他们要增产，而且要让他们增收。